Primera sangre. Primera sangre. Primera sangre.
She always hit me on OPEN, and she said that we can't even be friends. Now I broke her heart and it falling off the deep end. And I know I broke you, but I'm trying to find the pieces. Losing my shit, I just can't believe you leaving. But it's my fault, shouldn't have been creeping. Now suicidal on my mind for these demons. But just give me a minute and we'll come to an agreement. But I know she done with all the fighting and the screaming. Probably saying like honestly, fuck him, I don't need this. Cause she independent, that means no nigga needed. When it doesn't change the fact I go to bed fiending and dreaming about all the times that we had. I want it all back, but it's nobody's fault but my ass. Now I gotta get my heart out the dark, get away from all these noise and move all of my thoughts from the past and just step on the gas, accelerate. It's hard now, but I know I'm gonna see better days. And I know I hurt you, but I pray you find a better place. I'm just a lost soul trying to find some better ways. Losing myself, fuck, I should probably meditate. Always try to make the right decision, but I hesitate. It wasn't premeditated, and I know you hate me, but I'm gonna love you anyways. And I don't give a fuck if them stupid niggas investigate. You with me for life, you promised me you would never change. Think about you every day, wanna get you back anyway. I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart, baby, my everything. It makes me sick to my stomach that I could change anything about the situation, but you said that I would never change. Girl, I can't imagine nobody else giving you a wedding ring but me. And you're really gonna see that I love you unconditionally, no fucking degree. And I'm never giving up, we've been through too much. I got too many cuts and they're so fucking deep. You don't think I know I hurt you, but how the fuck you gon' leave? Straight up say you don't really have me in disbelief. But it's okay cause I understand that I was a disease. No excuse for what I did, so I only hope you find peace. I'm a toxic motherfucker, so why would you be with me? Now you got me on my knees, baby, please. She always gotta leave me on OPEN, and she said that we can't even be friends. Now I broke her heart and it falling off the deep end. And I know I broke you, but I'm trying to find the pieces. Losing my shit, I just can't believe you leaving. But it's my fault, shouldn't have been creeping. Now I'm suicidal on my mind for these demons. But just give me a minute and we'll come to an agreement. I'm sorry. And she said that we can't even